Every crypto trader must have a Coinbase Pro account. And I'm not talking about regular Coinbase. As many of us know, regular Coinbase, while it has a great user experience, the fees are way too high. If you're buying crypto $10 or less, the fee is 99 cents, a 10% transaction fee. And if you go over $200, the fee is 1.49%, very high. And when we look at Coinbase Pro, the fees are 0.5% or less. But this is not the reason why I'm telling you you need a Coinbase Pro account. The reason you need a Coinbase Pro account is because when it comes to withdrawals, Coinbase Pro is superior. Right now, there's an issue in crypto, moving it around or withdrawing it. A lot of these platforms or exchanges, they have limits, they have temporary suspensions, or they have a review process that might take 24 hours. 48 hours or even a week. And I know you guys listening, you know what I'm talking about. It's very frustrating. And these are some of the platforms that I'm mentioning right now are platforms that I love, right? Binance, Voyager, I love these platforms. But when I put crypto on there, I plan to keep it on there because withdrawing is not very easy. Now with Coinbase Pro, I have never had an issue. I want to send crypto, there's no big brother pausing my withdrawal, it just goes through. And also it is extremely cheap. In the past, Coinbase Pro had no fee for withdrawals for Bitcoin and Ethereum, which was unheard of at the time. But of course, these fees became so high that Coinbase could no longer eat up the cost for the customers, so they started to charge for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the other day, I sent out about $565 worth of Bitcoin, and the fee was 0.00006 Bitcoin. Well, how much does that cost? That's about $3.67. This is very cheap. Right now, the average Bitcoin transaction fee is between $20 and $30. And I only paid $3.67. So one, no problems withdrawing. I want to send it off, no problem. And number two, it is extremely cheap. The problem though is that even though it's cheap, in this case, it's still Bitcoin. So it takes an hour or an hour and a half to get it sent off the platform. Now, when I want to take crypto and put it onto a new platform, I typically will first get XLM or Algorand. And the reason is because these are much faster. Also, as we can see, the fee is zero. So with Bitcoin, I don't mind paying $4 or $5 for that fee. But I do mind a bit waiting an hour or an hour and a half. So when I simply need to get crypto to a new platform, I will use XLM or Algorand. And the reason that I do this is because I'm trying to get some altcoins that are not easily available in most places, so I need to transfer crypto to the platform. Also, many of you watching, you might want to take your crypto and send it to a platform to start earning interest, such as BlockFi, Celsius, or Voyager. Many reasons you want to send crypto off the platform, but like I said, the problem now is there's always this long review process. And to make it even better, Coinbase Pro has very fast instant deposit settlement. Most places it takes 5 to 10 days for your money to settle. And until then, you don't really own your crypto. When you do an instant deposit, they credit you, right? They let you buy and trade, but you don't really own it and you can't withdraw it until it settles. With Coinbase Pro, it's only about 4 days. This is very quick because most of those platforms that I mentioned, 5 to 10 days, they typically lead more toward 10 days. So 4 days, very fast. Coinbase Pro is a must in your arsenal. If you are in crypto, whether an investor or a trader, you want to move around from platform to platform, or you want to earn interest and you want an easy onboarding process, you need to use Coinbase Pro. And the great thing is you don't need to create a brand new account. If you already have Coinbase, you simply go to Coinbase Pro and then you create that account, but you don't need to provide any additional information. Coinbase will be connected to your Coinbase Pro account. So it is a must, especially if you have Coinbase.com already, regular Coinbase. So I hope that this video helped. This is something every trader needs, every investor. We don't want to be in a place now where we feel like our money is being held hostage, which is really, in the end of the day, what it is on an exchange, right? We're always up to the mercy of the exchange. But so far today, I have had no issues with Coinbase Pro. Fast and cheap. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.